Hey everyone, I'm Oliver Dominguez, and I'm here to talk about my science report number eight, mission report number eight, known as Vega One and Vega Two. Let's get right into it. So, Vega One and Vega Two were designed to head out to Venus, the second planet in our solar system, located between Mercury and our planet Earth. Venus has no moons and is considered to be uninhabitable for now. Moving on, here are Vega One and Vega Two. So, Vega One and Vega Two were a pair of balloon aerostats that were designed to go into space, that were designed by the Soviets and neighboring countries to reach Venus. The first one was launched on December 15th, 1984, and the second one was launched on December 21st, 1984, respectively. They had the mission to head out to Venus to do a couple of tasks. Here we go. The first task they wanted to do was learn more about Venus's atmosphere and see if it was comparable to Earth's. The second task they had was to reach the planet's surface on Venus. Now, this picture in particular was not taken by Vega 1 and Vega 2. It was actually taken by the Venera 13, which is considered to be Vega 1 and Vega 2's spiritual predecessor. The Venera 13 landed on Venus and only lasted there for 2 hours as it submitted to the heat and the pressure it could not handle it. But it was able to snap a picture of the Venus' surface, which was useful in the future. Lastly, the main purpose of the mission after step 1 and step 2 was to take a picture of the comet known as Halley, or Halley, depending on how you want to pronounce it. Halley is an interesting comet that only passes by Earth every 75 years. The last time it passed was in 1986, and the next time it will pass will be in 2061. I will be 59 years old when that passes, so I'll be on the lookout for it if I remember. Now, what are the takeaways? The takeaways from this mission were one, we learned a bit more about Venus' atmosphere thanks to the efforts of Venera 13. The balloon aerostats were designed to sustain a bit more on Venus than the predecessor did. Two, we learned more about the surface. We learned that they were able to land these two out there, and it was a rocky surface, which is not what you would think Venus would have, but it does. It does have a rocky surface. Lastly, we learned more about Comet and the trajectory of it, which was quite useful for future reference. One more thing I wanted to add: we did get some soil analysis going up there on Venus, and it was noted to be chemically similar to volcanic rock on Earth, which begs the question: can plants grow out there? That's another hypothesis that can lead into multiple theories if Venus can be habitable by humans in the future. Anyway, here are my sources, and thank you very much for listening. Have a good one.